The Nature Center!
I'm not with them. I hate nature. I hate nature. Jump.
Meanwhile, in the forest of Kootaga, an angry forestman decides to cut down an unmarked tree.
Da-da-da! Nature League assemble! Pose! Wow! Sir, what are you doing? What kind of shenanigans are you pulling on this tree?
I'm just chopping it down.
Why?
Because I hate it.
No! This tree is not marked for selective cutting.
Yes, it is. It's marked by me.
No!
Yes.
It's not possible. Sir, consider this. There's a bird's nest in this tree.
I hate birds.
No!
This is pretty funny.
There are plenty of other marked trees for selective cutting. Why don't you consider chopping those instead?
I want this tree.
Consider the following. What if a giant came into your community or place of residence and chopped down your home?
No such thing as giants.
Like, what if?
I guess you're right. I wouldn't like somebody chopping down my house.
Right.
Another tree saved by the nature board.
Pose!
That's it.